Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this turbine in SOlidWorks software. So at first I am taking the new file, and then I am going to select the MMGS, then going here for top plane, then go to the extruded boss, then already selected, it will be 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then it will be also 10 millimeters. Then I am going to select the front plane, then go to the reference geometry, and it will be 0. Then control 8 for normal plane, or you can go here and select this normal plane, then go to the sketch and select the rectangle, corner rectangle, then draw dimension, it will be 4. Okay, done. Exit. Then go into features and select the extruded boss and click here, and it will be 0.2. Mars will be out, it will be mid plane. Okay, done. Then going to the circular pattern, go to the bodies and click here, and another click, and main bodies, it will be 10. Okay, done. Then going to the extrude cart and click here, control Z, then again extrude cart and click, and this plane, control 8, then going to the circle, draw a circle, it will be 6 millimeters. Go to the rectangle, draw, and go to the trim entities, click, another click, another click, and another click. Okay, exit it. Then going to the through all, click. Okay, done. Then going to for here, and plastic is selected, high plastic, and selecting this one. Okay, done. Then you can go here, and this is okay. You can go here, here, and select it. You are watching this turbine, and you can see. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.